Getting leads for a commercial cleaning business doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need 10 tools. You don't need to spend thousands on ads, and you definitely don't need to guess your way through funnel building. All you need is one simple system, built to turn visitors into booked calls. At WeBuy, we built that funnel for you. It runs on Go High Level, one of the most powerful CRM and automation platforms out there. Here's how it works. A lead lands on your funnel page. They fill out a short form. They get an automatic reply, not hours later, but instantly. If they don't respond, the system follows up. When they're ready, they can book directly into your calendar, and the pipeline updates everything behind the scenes. It's all connected. No chasing, no spreadsheets, no missed opportunities. This funnel has already brought in leads for commercial cleaners across multiple markets without needing to build or write a thing. If you want access to the same system, click the link in the description and get the WebIE funnel built on Go High Level.